Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy, simple mac and cheese. And I'm going to show you how I do it. Let's get to it. So this is one of the dishes that's like a tradition in my family. It's on rotation for holidays, for Christmas, for Thanksgiving. Whenever we get together, we would throw this dish in the oven and everybody always enjoy it. And I hope you do too. So here I have two different kinds of cheeses. I have some smoked Gouda and I have some freshly sliced American cheese that I got from my local deli store that I asked them to slice some American cheese for me. I'm also going to need some all-purpose flour, some Dijon mustard. Also, there's some butter and some spice mix. These are all the spices that I like to use. You can use whichever one that you like. Here, I like to use some whole milk, but you can use carnation milk or heavy cream, whichever that you like to use in your cheesy pastas. This happens to be my ultimate favorite noodles to use when I'm making mac and cheese. I don't know why, but I just always like to use this kind of pasta. To begin, we're going to start by melting some butter in a hot pan or saucepan, whatever you're using. Once the butter has melted, now it's time to add the flour, and we're gonna cook the flour on lower heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. We're gonna try not to burn it, just to cook the rawness off. Once the flour has cooked, now it is time to add my whole milk to the pot, as well as my Dijon mustard, and I'm going to mix all of this together. After mixing, now it's time to add my seasoning. Once the spices are mixed in, it's time to start adding my cheese. I added a third of my Gouda cheese, and I'm going to add all of my American cheese. Once I'm done adding my cheese, I'm going to stir it until the cheese is melted. Here I have a pot of water that I have seasoned with salt. I'm going to add in my noodles so they can cook halfway. And guys, if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now my noodles are all ready. I'm going to stir them in to my cheesy sauce. Here I have a baking dish. I'm going to spray with some cooking oil. And here I'm going to layer my mac and cheese. I'm going to add some Gouda cheese in between the layers. I'm going to repeat the process. in at the very last top layer, I'm going to add some Gouda cheese, and this is going to go in the oven for 350 until the cheese is bubbly and melted. I don't like the cheese burnt, so it's not going to be burnt. And this is it when it comes out the oven. I don't like the cheese to be all burnt, just a little bit brown. And this was super easy and super quick to make. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share.